Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. I've just actually shorted this up in here and wanted to do the video to give you my reason why. If we go out to the daily, let's have a look at it on the higher time frame. Strong bearish, bit of a retrace. It's questionable, so you want to be careful with this. We've got this move here and an incredibly shallow retrace. So I would just say be careful. You know, into the 23.6. We've got this price gap through here, and I mean a retrace back up into these levels would probably make more sense. In any case, the stock markets are pretty overextended at the moment, and I'm just going off the fact that the stocks are extended and I'm looking for a pullback, and I'm thinking Bitcoin, being a risk asset, will follow. So keep an eye on the US one, the tech stocks, and I use that as a leading indicator basically. Okay, so we're starting to see the techs pull back a bit at the moment. All right, so this is giving me a reason to short this. Trading up, wicks above, red candle on the daily. So I think my bias more than anything would be for a pullback here. Could go either way. I mean, it's definitely risky. Okay, it's been grinding up. It's had a stab at liquidity above. So let's just have a look at this from a liquidity standpoint. It grinds up and it's building liquidity. And we get, with every move to the downside, of course, we get this build up of liquidity above. So what does it do? Whenever I see a wick like that, a stab up, and then a strong down candle followed by a lower high, I'm interested in the potential for a short. And especially at this point now that we're seeing a series of lower highs and lower lows here on the 4 hour. We do have a trend on the 4 hour. The 1 hour is a red candle. It's bearish. So with that, I am heading south. Still room for this to move. Be careful because it can pull back up, and I'll show you why. So we'll go down to the hourly chart. See this thin leg here? What we've got, okay, so we've got this topping price action. We do have this topping price action here. Lower highs, lower lows. And what I'm always looking out for is, well, it's reaching for liquidity for one thing. If it does a move like this, followed by relative equal highs, lower lows, I'm good to short that. That's my reason for taking this pretty much. Now, here's the thing. See here? This thin leg, we've got a price gap in here. But apart from that, everything else, there's no imbalance as such above here. When there's an imbalance in the market, it's going to look to trade back through it. We can mark that up. Be careful because we could get a pullback through here. All right, so I'll just grab that price gap. Okay, we're good to go. And then down to 30, 15. See how it wicks back up, fills the gap, and then we've still got this unresolved price gap right here. Well, on the 30, on the 15, not so. I'm good to short this pretty much. Where's my targets? Obvious levels really would be, this low through here. That'd be target one. I'd be looking to take most of my position off here, say 70%, and then pull the stop loss down. It's risk free, and see if we get a bit more out of it. Guys, if you haven't already, join my Discord. It's free. The link is below front of the video. But I'd love to see you in Discord. I'm in there through the Asia, London, and quite often into the New York Open. So that's my thing with this at the moment. Yeah, I mean, look, that you could pull your stop loss up a bit higher, and commit to the loss if that's the case. Either that or your target gets reached. My entry was somewhere around here. Something like this would make sense. Yeah, I'm going to go target one in here actually. I just want to take my money early, just through here. I'll close 70% in here just to be safe, because it could trade either way. Well, there's target 2 down in here. That's T2. And then we've got T3. I would go T3 down in here, these levels. See if we get an extended move. Great. I mean, take profits early and then trail it risk-free, see what we get. And I'm always looking for a minimum of 5-1 if I can get it. But, I mean, if it continues down, just go with the flow pretty much until you see the reversal. Anyway, guys, that's my take on Bitcoin. Bit of a short, And I think, once we get a pullback down, I'd probably be looking to buy again. So with that, hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in Discord.